Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci.
Hello guys, today's topic is all about Accenture joining bonus after accepting the offer. In my case, Accenture asked me to join within 1 month and they have given me the offer that if you have payout, we will pay you and we will increase the joining bonus as well. But unfortunately, my previous company didn't accepted the payout and asked me to serve 3 months notice period. So I didn't get joining bonus. If you guys get chance to get the joining bonus, please don't miss it guys, as it is huge amount and we will get it at once. Now let's see few frequently asked questions. These are the list of questions which has been asked frequently. I will try to answer these are all questions in coming slides one after the other in step by step. And coming to the first question, what is a joining bonus? The joining bonus is the money given to the employee for joining the early prior to the date mentioned in the offer letter. And basically, the joining bonus is not part of your salary or package that is promised to you in your letter of intent or offer letter. And next question is, what is payout? Payout is nothing but instead of serving 3 months of notice period, few companies have payout option that you can pay your 3 months salary to them and come out after your resignation in company. And next question is, can we ask for the joining bonus? Of course, you can ask for the joining bonus from your prospective employer if you're already serving notice period and ready to join in next 30 days. However, don't be pushy about it, politely inquire, and if they deny it, don't bother pushing too hard unless you have a better deal already. And coming to the next one, when we will get the joining bonus? After successful onboarding in Accenture, you are eligible for the joining bonus officially if it is already mentioned in your offer letter, and you will get it along with your first salary itself. Will joining bonus included in CTC? No, the joining bonus is excluded from CTC. Please check with your recruiter or ask for the joining bonus later along with the CTC if applicable. And coming to the next question, joining bonus paid every year? No, the joining bonus is paid only along with the first salary, so it will not be paid every month or year. It's a one-time payment only. Can we negotiate the joining bonus? Yes, you can. Joining bonus is typically negotiable, but give first preference to your CTC increment only because it will add benefit to you as you will be getting it in every month salary. And coming to the next one is joining bonus is taxable. Yes, you will get the joining bonus after tax deduction only along with your first month salary. And last question is, if we leave company, do we need to pay back the joining bonus? The joining bonus will be recoverable if you leave the company before 1 year. Then from your final settlement, it will be deducted. Note, some companies may even have this period extended to 2 years. So before only you check with your HR or the manager regarding this. Guys, have any doubts, please comment below. I will be good to answer. And thanks for watching this. Please do like and share. Thank you.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the